Hey guys, so y'all, we making this. I know we was making slime, but it was a fail, completely fail. Do y'all see this? Like,
You want to see it?
look, just look
Yeah,
at it.
please.
It's Play-Doh mixed with slime. Like
This is
ugly.
regular Play-Doh.
She got regular Play-Doh, but this is slime mixed with Play-Doh.
That's
This-
turned into kinetic sand.
Okay.
Brian.
So stop making the camera fall, okay? Okay. So yeah, guys, what should we make the intro? Like, what should the song be in the intro? Should it be best friend? Hurricane to my best friend. Should it be that best friend song? Should it be? I don't know. But
Comment down below what song.
yeah, comment down below. We're gonna be making our intro after this. And you see one person is again the thing. You see one person. Let me do it. You see one person is missing, which is Kareem. Like we said yesterday, she is missing because she want to be salty. Okay, so
She want to make her
let
own
me see.
YouTube.
Yeah, she want to make her own YouTube, but she want to do it with us.
So
And we keep
make
asking
sure
her.
you go subscribe to
Yeah,
her channel.
yeah, we keep asking her about stuff, and she want to keep being salty. So, yeah.
We gonna comment down with her YouTube name so she can.
Yeah, so y'all can do her YouTube.
Oh, I can put this one on my Musical.ly instead.
Well, I don't get on Musical.ly no more, so. Baby, my Instagram. She like y'all my Instagram. Follow me, follow me, follow me. And yeah. We're gonna make the intro, okay? We're gonna make the intro. So y'all, I look retarded today.
We still
Bruh,
in our pajamas.
my friends gonna be like, oh, look at Tequila. I'm like, to be honest, I just wanted to do this to help my cousins out, to do to my cousins.
She wasn't trying to like that.
I wasn't trying to do a YouTube channel, but I just did it for my cousins, so yeah. Oh, but I want to know our age. We're going to tell y'all our age.
I'm
And
11.
like, no, but you can't do that, tell your age yet. We're going to do it in a video. Y'all can
Yeah, we're gonna do it in the next video and tell y'all how old and stuff. Answer questions.
Yeah, we're going to ask you some questions to answer the questions.
Well, we're not gonna answer questions. We're just gonna tell y'all.
Yeah, we're not going to answer questions. Like she said, so I'm like, my name is, my grade is,
In order.
I am however years old.
I'm a little girl.
Our birthday is,
I was born in
yeah.
2018.
You was not born in 2018. Alright. So, alright, bye guys. See y'all later. Next video. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this champ.
What should we do for our
This
last?
champ.
Our end of the video, like a song.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do for our last part of our.
We're gonna put on songs at the end, but not
Yeah.
this one. Next.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.